In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete all comments in Smartsheet, step by step, using the built-in interface. This is perfect if your sheet has become cluttered with old conversations, outdated feedback, or internal notes that are no longer relevant, and you want to clean things up manually and safely. I'll also explain an important limitation you should know about before getting started. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet tips, tutorials, and productivity guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and log in to your Smartsheet account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the sheet where you want to remove comments. You can do this from your Home tab, your workspace, or by opening the sheet directly if you already have it bookmarked. Make sure the sheet is in grid view so you can easily see rows and access conversations. Now, it's important to understand something up front. As of now, Smartsheet does not offer a true one-click option to delete all comments in an entire sheet at once. Comments must be deleted manually, row by row, and comment by comment. However, once you know where to click, the process is very straightforward. To begin deleting comments, locate the row that contains a comment. On the far right side of the row, or directly inside a cell that has a comment, you'll see the conversation icon. Go ahead and click on that conversation icon. This opens the conversation panel for that specific row. Inside the conversation panel, you'll see all comments associated with that row. Move your cursor over the comment you want to delete. In the top corner of that comment, you'll see 3 dots, also known as the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots to open the comment options. From the menu, click on Delete Comment. Smartsheet will then ask you to confirm the action. This is a safety step to prevent accidental deletions. Click Delete to confirm, and the comment will be permanently removed from the sheet. Repeat this process for every comment in that conversation. Once all comments in that row are deleted, you can close the conversation panel and move on to the next row that contains comments. If your goal is to delete all comments in the entire sheet, continue opening each row's conversation panel and deleting the comments one by one. While this can take some time for large sheets, it's currently the only supported and safe way to remove comments without affecting your data, rows, or attachments. A quick tip here: make sure you have the proper permissions on the sheet. You must be the sheet owner or have admin-level access to delete comments created by other users. If you don't see the delete option, it's likely a permissions issue. Once you've finished deleting all the comments you no longer need, take a moment to review your sheet to make sure everything looks clean and organized. This can make collaboration easier and help keep your Smartsheet focused on current work only. And that's it. You now know how to delete all comments in Smartsheet by manually removing them from each row. If this video saved you time or cleared up confusion, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet tutorials and workflow tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.